name's Steph and I'm from England. I decided to take the 300 yoga teacher training course because I felt there were certain areas in my 200 which I really felt needed developing for my own knowledge and for helping students back at home. Okay, so when I was searching, I was searching for quite a long time just to try and find a course that I felt suited my needs. When I came across Alpha Yoga School, it was very different to everything else I'd seen before. The website really pulled me in. I felt that the content that was on there really related to what I was looking for. I felt that it just stood up above the rest. There was something that was very special that I didn't get a vibe from a lot of the other places that I was looking at. Anything I wasn't quite sure about, any queries I had got answered really in depth, so it just eased any nerves I had in thinking, you know, am I ready to take this next step and is this the right course for me? And after the Zoom call, I definitely felt. So for myself, especially with COVID, I felt that my training had been very online. So I really felt that hands-on adjustments was an area I didn't feel confident in. So for me, that was very important. Teaching skills, advancing on anatomy, yeah, everything, but those were the sort of three main things that stood out for me. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely, yeah. I came with expectations of thinking, well, I hope I enjoy it, I hope the content's good, and everything was, I was blown away, absolutely blown away. It really has been an amazing course and it's been put together so well. The intensity's there, so, you know, it's definitely not a holiday, but, you know, at the end of the day, you're here to learn. So the knowledge that I've got, and I can go away and actually think about the knowledge I've learnt and use that in my teaching back at home for my own practice is just invaluable. It really is. Oh, there's so many. I mean, adjustment and alignment for me specifically it was just so good to actually see somebody who is so competent in what they do and understand what they're doing and be able to explain that in a way that I could actually use it, for me, was just incredible. Also, the community, so everyone on the course has been, you know, you always have that apprehension of thinking, am I going to enjoy it? What are the people going to be like? And I can honestly, hand on heart, say that everybody in the course has just been fantastic. We've all got on so well. There's, you know, friends that have been made, a community that we're all going to remember this experience for all the right reasons. I mean, there was things that surprised me about my own practice, which I wasn't aware of. So things that I do that I don't even realise, you know, it was picked up on. It's all constructive feedback, which I can really go away and think about and improve my own practice and just learn. Just keep learning, keep being a student and just keep enjoying this path. For me, sometimes there's always a bit of doubt, thinking, well, am I doing this correct? Is this right? Is this, and actually just having somebody saying, this is slightly wrong, you need to work on this specific point, and being detailed with it. So rather than just being a general overview, it goes into the nitty-gritty, and I think that is key when you're trying to help somebody else and help yourself. You need to know the detail, you need to know the depth, because without that, it's just so general, and it's just, you want exceptional. You don't just want to be general, you want to be above and beyond. I definitely feel my knowledge has increased massively. I feel there's so, you know, because there is so much content, it is a case of going away and really trying to process it. But I do genuinely feel a lot more confident in what I'm doing, yeah. Yeah, I mean, location is beautiful. It is, absolutely. You come away and you feel you're in this bubble of just being remote, and you can really immerse yourself in what you're doing. You haven't got the distractions of everyday life. It's just amazing, it really is. I mean, it's such a fantastic location. I mean, you've got the sea, you've got the sunshine, you know, I mean, the Shala is beautiful. I mean, you're doing your morning meditation, you open your eyes and you're just looking out on such a fantastic view. You know, it's breathtaking, it really is. Yeah, staff have been very caring, very attentive. The teachers, everybody has got their own specific niche, unique selling point that they specialise in, and having everyone with different skills really makes you feel you're getting a really well-rounded, balanced training that you can actually use in real life. And I think that's the thing. It's not just learning things that you think, oh, well, I'm never going to use that. The fact is you are going to use it. And if you want to, progress with your own teaching, or just come and, look at how your own practice is going, these skills are, they're lifelong. You can just keep improving on them and have a really good foundation. Yeah, I really love the yin, definitely, because I definitely do a lot of yang. So for me, doing the yin was very, very good. It just gave me a chance to appreciate that there's another side, there's a balance, and a lot of us are off balance majority of the time. So just actually becoming more aware of that and learning about something that is very valuable. Oh, absolutely. I will be raving about Alpha Yoga School, and I'm not just saying that, I will be.